Hello everyone. These folks may not wear capes, but they sure know how to save the day. Imagine this, a massive storm hits, and all modern communication lines go down. No cell phones, no internet. Sounds like a nightmare, right? But guess who steps up to the plate? Ham radio operators, that's right. Ham radio or amateur radio is more than just a hobby. It's a lifeline. These operators are trained to communicate across vast distances without relying on the usual infrastructure. When disaster strikes, they're ready. They work tirelessly, broadcasting vital information and coordinating rescue efforts. Take Hurricane Katrina, for example. When traditional communication networks failed, it was ham radio operators who kept information flowing. They relayed messages between emergency services, helped locate missing people, and provided a crucial link to the outside world. In those dark hours, they were the unsung heroes, giving a voice to the voiceless. And it's not just natural disasters. Ham radio operators are involved in search and rescue missions, providing communication support in remote areas where cell service is non-existent. They've even been known to assist with international emergencies, connecting people across borders when all else fails. Their dedication doesn't stop there. These operators constantly train, update their equipment, and run drills to stay prepared. It's a community effort driven by passion and a desire to help others. Such is the amateur radio club station in Queenal, British Columbia, the Letako Dene Nation Ham Radio Club. Their motto is that ham stands for helping all mankind. So next time you think of everyday heroes, remember the ham radio operators. They might be behind the scenes, but their impact is huge. They remind us that even in our high-tech world, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. If you have any questions, you can contact Bruce and Tracy McDonald or Dave Llewellyn at the Letako Amateur Radio Club, call sign VE7LFN, or contact an amateur radio club near you. Thanks for watching.